It's no secret that India has been receiving a lot of bad reviews recently, but in my opinion that's because most people focus on the chaotic cities. But India also has amazing natural beauty, from the beaches of Goa to the Himalayan mountains, and an abundance of rich cultural history and traditions throughout the subcontinent. A great example of the other side of India is Manali in Himachal, Pradesh, the gateway to the Himalayas. It's a resort town known for indigenous tribes, unique culture, stunning scenery, and a very relaxed vibe. Let's get into the video. Yes, now Bush. Welcome to the Solang Valley.
Temple?
I'm alright.
Temple?
You need us?
No, thank you, mate.
Okay.
Christian, can't do any of that shit.
Oh no.
Come here, Paddy. There we go.
I'll have one. Just one.
He's gonna risk it.
Yes, please.
Oh, delicious.
Ketchup चाहिए आपको? Ketchup.
Ketchup, please. Thank you. Pretty banging.
That looks fire, actually. Go on, then. That is good.
Your change?
Google Pay?
Nah.
Google Pay.
Do you have any? Fine.
Oh, look who came crawling back.
Any little ones?
Getting a light wash, a light shower. Beautiful. This is the other side of India.
What ticket? 1500.
You clean the windows a bit. Filthy fuckers. Jeez. Champagne, you gonna give it a go? Oh, he's melted. Oh my god. Fuck. That looks pretty bad at one point. Yeah, to be fair, if this goes wrong, right, you are fucked. It's a long way, it's 3,000 metres.
One little rope snapping.
Yeah.
Green crackered, man.
Well, obviously like falling from the sky, but I mean if you just fall down the hill. Where are you from?
I was born in Mauritius, but I've lived in Luton for 15
Luton.
years.
Oh, Luton's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, sure is.
Oh my god, every time.
You can have a red ass in morning.
Kidna rupees. Just one. How much? 50.
50, 30, 30.
30.
Small 30.
30. Big one? I'll have a big one.
Big 50.
One big one.
Yeah.
Dhanyavad. Show me. What are we going to put on there?
Meetha swar.
Salt,
Yeah.
lime,
Sugar.
sugar,
Sugar, meetha.
Himalayan salt,
Lemon.
lemon.
Lemon salt.
Is it hot? That's not too bad. Thank you, bro.
Chair.
Have a look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, decent. Double decent.
Good? No good.
Good, yeah, delicious. Banging.
Need to find a bin.
India isn't it?
Come on, you can't say that, buddy.
Sorry.
My friend, shoot my healthy kitchen.
Healthy kitchen, yeah? Beautiful. I'll put you in the video.
Okay, shop as well.
Oh, beautiful. What's your shop called?
No name.
No name, that's a good name. See you guys. This is Old Manali. It's a bit more chilled out than in the city. Got nice shops, restaurants. It's a cool place. Good vibe. Hello, bro. Nice. What is this for?
Sorry?
What is this? Do you know what this is?
Yeah.
Can you explain it?
This is a marriage ritual. The owner of this place,
This one?
yeah.
Yeah.
So, his sister's son's marriage.
Oh wow. It's a big thing. It's a big event
Yes,
for the people.
very, very big thing.
And where do they go now? To the temple?
I think so. They are going to the temple as well as they're going to, you know, they have the house over there, upstairs.
Oh.
So they go to their house.
Oh
So
wow.
do the, you know, puja and all the rituals.
Yeah.
What we do.
There was a procession this morning as well. Another one. I think it was like a god of the village this morning or something. Is that true?
Yes.
Like a deity?
Every
God.
village has their own god.
Really?
Every village has their own god.
Do you know what the god
They
is here?
believe. Here is Manu. Manu temple.
Of course. This is a god.
Yes, Manu is the main, you know, god.
Yeah.
and others are a junior to it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you, man.
Same here.
Appreciate that. Thank you.
Thanks.
Well, there you go. Cultural experience. You see that beautiful Indian Himalayas and a Himalayan wedding to boot. Pretty cool. The vibe here is just unreal. Highly recommend it. Very peaceful, relaxing. Climate's perfect as well. Nice and cool. A lot of meditation going on. And it's our hostel. How are you? Gonna be in the vlog.
Oh, hello. What's
Yo, say hello to YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
Yes, Piney. A man in deep contemplation and thought.